How to whiten your teeth at home has been a highly requested video. So here I am, here you are, here we all are, let's talk teeth. As a dental hygienist, I first need to say that whitening your teeth is the least important thing about your teeth. Right? Like, you should always get an exam and a cleaning at a dental office to check your gums and check your teeth for cavities and all that good stuff before you even consider whitening. Okay, that makes me feel better. So there are two options to whiten your teeth at home that I personally agree with as a hygienist. Option one is purchasing white strips over the counter. This is the most affordable option, but pro tip, if you produce lots of saliva regularly, like you're someone who salivates a lot, this might not be the best option for you because the strips might not stick well if you got a lot of spit. So if that's you, wait for option two. A great example of over-the-counter white strips are Crest white strips. Everyone's heard of them. They are a very reputable company. Something you need to know about white strips though is that each box may have different directions for use. People always ask me, hey Whitney, I just bought Crest white strips. How long should I leave them on my teeth? And I literally can't answer that because there are so many different boxes, even within the same company like Crest. Like there's Glamorous White, 3D White, Brilliant White, and they may all have different concentrations of peroxide. So read the box you are using. It will tell you how long to wear them in one sitting and for how many days or weeks it will take to achieve results. The next question I always get about white strips is, which one works best? Even within the same brand, like which Crest box works best? But how I answer that is, they all work and should achieve the same results. It just depends how much time and money you want to spend to allow them to work. When there is a high concentration of peroxide in the whitening strip, your teeth will whiten faster and you won't need to wear them as long in each sitting. So on the other hand, if there is less concentration of peroxide, you will have to wear them longer in each sitting. But you might experience less sensitivity this way, wearing them longer, because it's less peroxide. Does that make sense? Having said that, there are so many variables to consider. So if you are not worried about sensitivity or time, just buy the cheapest Crest white strips box and do what the directions say. Okay, that was option one. Now for option two. Pro tip, this option is great if you produce lots of saliva, or if you are just sick and tired of trying to make white strips stick to your teeth. This option is to get custom whitening trays made by your dentist. This option is slightly more expensive, but you are paying for true convenience and ease. I realize also that this is not completely an at-home whitening option. However, once the trays are made at your dental office, you can then take the whitening product to place inside them and use them at home at your convenience forever and ever. I currently use Opalescence product in mine, which no matter what product you use in your custom trays, I would only recommend you purchase this product from your dental office. I don't generally trust the internet for whitening products if I'm like Googling Opalescence, because you don't know. I've read about people that dilute like hair products, like they put water in hairspray and resell it for cheaper. I'm not all about that life, especially when it comes to my teeth. I want to make sure the product I am using is the original, not any knockoff brand. So the safest place you could purchase the product for inside your custom whitening trays is your dental office. Again, this option is best for people who don't want to deal with the whitening strips because it's hard for you to get them on your teeth, or because you just have lots of spit in your mouth and they just never seem to work for you. I have a couple other videos on whitening. One is called Best Teeth Whitening Options, which of course I'll link below. This video gives you clear and concise details all about whitening and all your options that I personally agree with, not just at home. And I also have a video on how to use whitening strips. This video will give you tips and tricks to making your strips stick. That was like Peter Piper picked it. That was a tongue twister. Anyway, yes, that video will help you learn how to get whitening strips stick on your teeth better, because like I said, the whitening strips are the most affordable option and they do work. If they will sit on your teeth properly, they will whiten them. One last at-home whitening tip for long-term storage of your whitening products. Keep extra product in your refrigerator. It stays fresh longer when it's cold. I hope this video helped you. Please let me know in the comments below what other topics you'd like to hear about. It's fun for me to combine my personal and professional opinions on teeth stuff, so let me know. And until then, please subscribe, please like, please share, and peace, love, and teeth.